It would have had to improve dramatically to get up to horrible. That's how bad it was. We're talking about 22 billion 30-year bonds. The grade I gave it for demand, it's straight up 1 Eastern, D minus, dog minus. The yield, 1.895, which is really the bulk of the problem, how it priced, because the one issue market was trading 4 basis points lower at 185.5. 4 basis points a tail, that is humongous. Now, granted, it's a reopening on a mini refunding, but probably the issue is the exact topic you're talking about. Tina isn't being long treasuries. Tina's being long stock, especially when you have a CPI number tomorrow, where the headline number last month was up 0.9%. All the internals on this auction, the bid to cover, the indirects, the directs, were all less than the 10 auction average. The only thing that was above 10 auction average was the dealer takedown, which is not a good thing. You want dealers to take less because that means investors are taking more. So the last leg of 112 billion in the mini refunding is a D minus, and you can see yields popping as we speak. Kelly, back to you.
Rick, on Monday, when we talked about the prospect of the 10-year going above 1.5% this week, you were saying, look, that would already kind of trigger a lot more activity. Plus, we had all of this inventory coming to market. Well, here we are with the inventory, you know, the rubber hitting the road, and not a lot of appetite for it. Is this just a temporary phenomenon?
Yeah, no, I don't think it's a temporary phenomenon. As a matter of fact, I will go on record. I think you're going to start to see more traction on long-dated treasuries, yields moving higher, and that doesn't necessarily mean a steepening yield curve, because I think we're going to see a bear flattening continue. I think rates are going to go up across the whole curve, but I still think short rates probably outpace long rates, and I'm still sticking with right around 1.6% for the close on 10 years. Call me crazy. I'm sticking with my number.
All right, 1.5 is where we got to after that 30-year auction.